Houseplants are a great way to bring a bit of nature into your home. However, watering them can be time-consuming, especially if you have many plants. Fortunately, there are tips and tools that can help you out. Check out some great indoor plant watering tricks below. Use a watering can with a long spout. A watering can with a long spout can reach plants that are higher or further away. It also helps to direct water to the soil and prevents splashing water all over the leaves. This way you can water plants quickly and effectively without making a mess. Try a watering wand. A watering wand is a tool that attaches to a hose or watering can and has a long narrow tube with a shower head at the end. This tool allows you to water plants more precisely, targeting the base of the plant without wetting the leaves. It's also perfect for watering hanging plants or plants on high shelves. However, this tool is much better for outdoor plants in your garden, patio, and balcony. Self-watering pots. Self-watering pots are a great solution for people who tend to forget to water their plants regularly. These pots have a reservoir at the bottom that stores water, which is then slowly released into the soil as needed. This means that you can water your plants less frequently while still ensuring they get the right amount of water. Use a drip irrigation system. A drip irrigation is an automatic watering system that uses tubes or hoses with small holes to deliver water directly to the base of the plant. This system saves time and water as it delivers water precisely where it is needed and in the right amount. Water from the bottom up. Watering from the bottom up is a great way to ensure that the roots get enough water without wetting the leaves. Simply place the plant in a tray of water and let it soak up the water through the drainage holes. This method is especially useful for plants that are sensitive to getting their leaves wet, such as succulents. Group your plants together. Grouping plants together can create a microclimate that helps to maintain humidity levels. This is especially useful for plants that require high humidity levels, such as ferns or tropical plants. When you water one plant, the surrounding plants will also benefit from the increased humidity. Grouping plants together that have similar watering needs also ensures that you can water them together without overwatering or underwatering any specific plant in less time. Use a spray bottle. A spray bottle is a great tool for watering plants that need high humidity levels and misting, such as orchids, air plants, Boston fern, calathea, spider plant, ficus, philodendron, alocasia, fittonia, etc. Simply fill a spray bottle with water and mist the plant as needed. Ice cubes. Ice cubes are a unique way to water your plants slowly and evenly. Simply place a few cubes on top of the soil and let them melt slowly. This method is especially useful for plants that don't like to be watered too much at once, such as peace lilies. Use a watering spike. A watering spike is a tool that allows you to water your plants without having to be there. Simply fill a bottle with water, attach the watering spike to the top of the bottle, and insert the spike into the soil. The water will slowly seep out of the bottle and into the soil, ensuring that your plant gets the water it needs. Pre-fill watering cans. Pre-fill multiple watering cans or containers before you begin watering. This minimizes interruptions to refill, allowing you to move seamlessly from one plant to another. Also, keep aside a watering can or bucket with a generous capacity when watering. This reduces the need for frequent refilling and enables you to cover more plants in one go. Set up a rotating system. Divide your plants into groups and implement a rotating watering schedule. This prevents the need to water all plants in a single session and ensures even hydration over time. By implementing these time-saving strategies, you can efficiently water multiple indoor plants without sacrificing their health and vitality. Streamlining your watering routine allows you to dedicate more time to enjoying your flourishing indoor garden. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.